Good day everyone, I am Jana Kate Orhead, the last reporter of the Group 7. So my topic is all about the different components or areas of a competency-based facility. So number 1 is the practical work area. So it is where the learner acquires the skills and knowledge components prescribed by the standard. Okay, so in the practical work area, this is where the students learn from hands-on skills like fixing engines or electrical systems. So it is divided into stations based on the different skills levels. Then number 2 is the learning resources area. So it is proximate to the heart, the practical work area. Okay, so the learning resource area, this area is close to the practical zone. It has books, videos, and computers to help students study and plan projects at their own pace. And the number 3 is the institutional assessment area. So it is located very proximate to the practical work area. So institutional assessment area, it is located near the work area. This is where the students are tested on what they've learned. If they pass all the modules, they receive a certificate, and also it keeps track of the students' record. So that's the purpose of the institutional assessment area, to track the students' record, each of them individually. The number 4 is the contextual learning laboratory. So this facility ensures that the underpinning knowledge, science, mathematics, and communication principles as applied to the technology are provided to the learner. So here in contextual learning laboratory, students learn the basic science, math, and communication skills needed to understand the technical task they're doing. So that's the contextual learning laboratory. Then number 5 is the quality control area. So various tests aside from metrology and calibration are conducted in this area, including in-process quality control. Okay, so this area checks the quality of students' work through testing and ensures everything meets standard. Like if they really learned something from that specific topic or lesson. And the number 6, Trainers Resource Center. So this area houses the learning materials, training regulations, and curriculum exemplar. Okay, so this is where the teachers prepare lessons and keep training materials and guidelines. So this is where the trainers find the training materials and guidelines of that specific lesson. And the number 7 is the distance learning. So one major issue of TVET is accessibility. Okay, so distance learning, so this part allows students to study from their home or other places using printed or digital materials, making training more accessible. So they can do online learning just using technology, and if they have an technology and an internet, so they can still study from home or any other places as long as they have an internet connection or an other connection that needed to conduct an online classes. The number 8 is the computer laboratory. So this area depicts the major physical change in the delivery, the use of information technology. Okay, so computer laboratory, this is where the students learn from computer skills like using Word, Excel, and other software or any other basic software needed for their course. So it depends in the course that they're taking. So it helps them build IT skills required in the curriculum. Then the last one is the support service area. So this area provides value-adding competencies as such for automotive services technician in C2, welding competency address underpinning skills in the particular competency. Okay, so this area teaches extra but important skills that support the main training. For example, in automotive training, welding might be taught because it's often needed. So it depends on the training that you're taking again. Like the main purpose of that specific training, so it is where you're gonna focus, especially in hands-on learning. So all these areas help convert a regular workshop into a competency-based training workshop. Trainers needs to understand each area well to guide students properly before training starts. So now, let's go to the characteristics of a good workshop layout. So first, safe. So it should be the first priority or the top tier priority. So safe, the workshop should be safe since students work on their own a lot. Safety is a top priority. Then second is the accessible. So trainers and students should be able to move around easily, avoid blocking views within walls so the trainer can monitor students clearly. It is for the trainers to see the students around without any blockings or any wall, something like that. Then the third is complete. So the workshop should be include in all 9 CBT areas placed logically next to each other, like putting the learning area resource close to the contextual learning area. Then the fourth one is aligned with skills. So it should be aligned with skills because the setup should look like a real job settings. Each skill or task should have its own workstation, similar to what's used in the actual industry work. Then the last one is well-ordered tasks. So workstation should be arranged from easy to hard. So it should start from easy to hard, not hard to easy. So each station should help students build up smaller skills to learn the bigger tasks step by step. And that is all. Thank you.